Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today, I want to talk about a very important rule. This is the 50-30-20 rule. I don't know if anybody has heard of it, but I want to explain it today. And this is really going to take your finances to the next level. If you're kind of struggling with how much I need to budget, how much money I need to make, how much money I need to save, wants, needs, etc., like this is going to be the video for you. So before we get into it, make sure you spam the like on this video, spam the like button, and also sub down below for more content like this. So getting into it, what is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is breaking down how much you make into subcategories. So the 50% is going to be your wants. The 50% is going to be what you need. The 30% is going to be your wants. And the 20% is going to be frivolous things for your savings and drawing down debt. So what is important about this? Let's say you are bringing in $3,000 a month. So 50% of that needs to go into your needs category. So this means transportation. This means housing. This means food. This means critical. I even throw a cell phone in there because cell phones are really critical right now. You're not getting anywhere without a cell phone. These are critical things that you need in life, that if you do not have these things, quality of life will go down extremely low. Like, you cannot function without these things. People get into the business of, oh, I need Netflix. Oh, I need this shoe. Oh, I need this spa. Those are not needs. Needs are things that if you do not have these things, you really will not be able to survive. You can't survive without food. You cannot survive without shelter. You cannot survive without these different things. So make sure you're splitting up your needs and your wants into proper categories. So those are the categories you need: food, shelter, transportation, stuff like that. Next, from your 50%, you're going to go into your 30%. That's going to be your wants. So this is when you can get into a budget where, let's say we're sticking with the $3,000, $1,500 is going to go into your wants, your needs category, and then $1,000 is going to go into your category of wants. So what you're going to do for that, you're going to figure out, okay, I got to get my hair done. How much is that going to cost? I want to go to this concert. How much is that going to cost? Every month, I like to hit the casino every month. So how much is that going to cost? And you're going to write this into your budget of 30%. That's going to be very important. You want to write all this stuff down so you know on a monthly basis, how much do I need to bring in to pay for the things that I want. And sometimes you're going to have to cut some things out. Maybe it doesn't fit the 30% perfectly how much you're spending. You need to figure out, okay, maybe I got to cut out some Netflix. I got to cut out Netflix for a couple months. Maybe I don't need to hit the spa or get a massage every weekend like I've been doing. Maybe I can work on. We got quarantine cuts now. You can do your haircut from the bathroom now in your own home. So maybe you need to figure that out. But 30% is going to go into your wants. Next is going to be savings and debt, drawing down debt and continuing to save. And I also put this into the investment category as well, where you need to be investing this 20%. So if you don't have a lot of debt, let's say you don't have a lot of debt, you need to be focused on investing and saving. I say saving is why you need to have about 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up. So if you're living on $3,000 a month, that's what you need. These are necessities. You need $6,000 a month, $3,000 a month to survive. You're going to need about 3 times that or 6 times that in your bank account to say, okay, I have a decent amount of savings. After that, you want to focus more on the investing side because you already have your safety net in place. If anything goes wrong, let's say you lose your job or break a leg or whatever it may be, you have a safety net in place to get through, to weather that storm. After that, you want to focus on investing. You want to invest into your 401k, your Roth IRA, stuff like that, your individual brokerage accounts, maybe do some real estate on the side, maybe have some artwork, some gold coins, silver coins, stuff like that. Whatever you think investment wise you need to go into, I recommend index funds. I keep preaching index funds. You really need to go into index funds. Again, index funds, get into index funds, invest in those. They're going to be critical. But whatever you could think of investment wise, that's where you need to be putting this 20%. So first, focus on paying down your debt. Second, focus on saving that 3 to 6 months, because that's going to be critical so you don't run into any issues. And then third, you want to focus on investing the rest of that 20%. So that is what you want to do with the 50, 30, 20. And that's going to get you up into that top tier category where you're able to live successfully and live a life that a lot of people cannot. So before I close out this video, I know it's going to be difficult to do that. A lot of people are not going to have, they're going to have problems where 50% is just not possible. It's going to be where you have to figure out, do I need to increase my income? Do I need to lower my expenses? Do I need to increase my saving rate? It's going to be a puzzle for the individual to figure out. But once you figure that out, you're going to be set up for life. So that, I know this video is short, but that's basically how it works. How you're going to break down each thing. I might even go into like sub videos, how to get your debt down, stuff like that. But we will see. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. And that's going to wrap it up. It's being boy. Blessed applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.